Good afternoon, everyone. So over the past couple of days, we've heard a lot about deep learning on various kinds of hardware platforms. We've had the hardware vendors give us good talks about new technology which is available now to put your machine learning models on hardware. There's a lot of libraries and whatnot. However, when it comes to your algorithm, the algorithm designer, what is that workflow to get from your algorithm and put your software on the hardware? So we've heard about deep learning and all the frameworks and the inference engines targeting this hardware. But an application is more than just deep learning. Deep learning is usually a piece of your application. I'm going to talk a little bit about that and show you some examples of what I mean. So in this talk, we are describing a workflow from MATLAB to hardware. So MATLAB, as we all might know, is a premier language for algorithm design. And we've been using it, people have been using it for image processing, computer vision, machine learning for many years now. And we have we're going to show you what we've been doing in the deep learning domain. So there's a lot of hardware platforms available for deep learning today. So if you want just raw performance, you might go with a GPU. If you want energy efficiency, there's ARM, there's FPGAs. There's a whole mix of different choices when it comes to machine learning hardware. However, when it comes to software, there is this fundamental trade-off in programming languages. So I'm a compiler designer. For me, this is a thing which has defined innovations in compilers for a while. So on the one axis, on the x-axis, you have ease of programming. So how easy is it to express your algorithm? And then on the y-axis is performance, right? So if you want to get really good performance, usually you would have to deal with languages like HDL, CUDA, SIMD, and whatnot. And it's hard to program. It's not very easy. On the other hand, you can write your applications in MATLAB or Python, may not get the best performance. So what compilers do is give you a route from these high-level languages to hardware-specific languages. So I'm going to talk about our a bunch of code generation tools that we created to enable this path from MATLAB to different hardware platforms.